Hey, Nicholas Demski, the roaming poet. I'm out here in Sierra National Forest, and I actually wrote this haiku while I was out in Trona Pinnacles in the desert of Southern California. So here it is. It is called When It Pours in the Desert. Dark clouds break open over thirsty mountains. Rainstorms feed dusty slopes. And if you like poetry like that being read to you from really cool places like this, then please subscribe to the channel so I can keep making these videos. And why not check out a longer poem while you're here too? I'll see you in another one. Peace.